Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Working Mom Plans. I do planner related videos and plan with me to inspire you how to create your plans and organization for your life and family. In this video, I'm going to do a recipe plan with me to redo this coleslaw recipe one in my Happy Planner recipe notebook. So, I hope you stick around and see how I redo this. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think. Also, make sure you subscribe if you are new and hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos, which are 2 to 3 times a week. Also, I hope you get, I think I said thumbs up. Anyways, you know the spiel that we always ask to help to support my channel. So, as I was thinking about this coleslaw, I was thinking, okay, definitely green, maybe some orange, and because there's the carrots in there, but it's very like cabbage and orange, and that's it. So I got this rainbow one with gold stars on it, and then this copper bow one to do. So but before I write, I want to get some washi down as in the process as well, because sometimes you need to lay down washi before you write and put things down. So, and this is perforated, but sometimes I don't use the perforated part, and I only will cut them. So, I know not very many people do these recipe plan with me, but I enjoy doing them. Like I enjoy preparing my notebook, my cleaning notebook. So if you have not catched that live, check that out. When I'm done with that project, I will do an updated flip through video for you guys, so then you know what is definitely how that turned out, and it gives you ideas how to do your own cleaning / home. Okay, so sometimes when I do washi, I try to do as close as I possibly can so I'm not wasting it as well. So here I am going to do is try to do a header. I'm not an artist, but I didn't like how thick it got with the flare pen there. So I tried to do some shadowing with the gel pen there, and as you can tell, I did a great job at first. But then after a while, doing the other letters, I did fine. But like I said, I'm not a great artist. I'm still, you know, practicing in a sense. I'm basically like, okay, usually practice is when I'm doing things. Alright, so I'm starting to put these little stars for bullet points for each of the ingredients. As you can see, as I'm writing, capital Tbsp means tablespoon, and little tsp means teaspoon. When I don't put an amount down for salt and pepper, it's just a few shakes for taste. Yeah, so I started off just doing the rainbow, but I started off with green, and I like how it turns out here because I also have the rainbow here, but also I like how, you know, one thing I like about the rainbow is you can start at any color and you can see where it's going and when it comes back to, as well. So this is a pretty simple one. If you don't like fennel seeds that much, luckily it's only like a teaspoon, but you can do less than that, like a half a teaspoon or a pinch. It's a very strong taste to it, especially when you get it by a little gripping with it with this. Also, the other things, my husband's not a big fan of cabbage of any kind, but he doesn't even like coleslaw out of the restaurants. But then when I made this for us, for our family, he loves it. So, serves about 6. So, when I make it, I do a full thing of both, and then I just, if you want to do the whole heads of both of these cabbages, just double everything else because you're doubling these too. So I was surprised it's smudged there, so I don't know if I got hair or something or it just blew that on me. This is a pretty easy one. Cabbage. Of course, this feels weird. But there's nothing else. This is a side dish, so I'm gonna put here side dish, and then there's just 2 things: making the sauce and then cutting up the vegetables and mixing, tossing it together. Pretty simple, huh? All right, so let me do that. I don't know if I want. Yeah, because I'm running low on those stickers, those big 1, 2, 3s. They're pretty cool, but I think I'm running out of them because I can't. I think I'm totally out because 1, 2, 3 is the beginning of the number sequence and it's used quite a bit. So, but I am going to bump this down a line to give this space in between the 2 sections. So here we go. For those who have a hard time reading my handwriting, I will give a quick summary of how this recipe is done. So basically you mix the mustard, the mayo, and the vinegar and whisk in the vegetable oil in a bowl. And then you add the shredded up, chopped up vegetables, which is the cabbage, both red and green cabbage and carrots. And then you put in the fennel seed and you toss it. Basically that's what I'm writing out here, but in separate little paragraphs and so forth. And then you season the dressing with salt and pepper. Put their shredded carrots instead of just carrots, so to note that yes, this is all shredded and such. So I figured I should put it when it's a side dish or and such. So I wanted to do, just to bring in more decoration in here and break up, this looks like a big paragraph again to me, so I wanted to do, put this washi in between it all. So it looks a little bit more broken up. Not broken. Yes, English is my first language, but also English is a really hard language to learn even from a native speaker. I've always gotten a big major dyslexia on that part. And I'm just going to put this here. Such. Oh, there you go. So that looks a lot better. I don't know. This takes you can shred cabbage and carrots in your food processor pretty easily. If not, just chop it up into small things, or get one of those bags of coleslaw bag mixes without the dressing, and you can just make the dressing and toss it together too. So there's many ways of doing this. So prep time, I'm gonna say 10 minutes. Instantaneous. 5 minutes. I'll call that the tossing of everything, but let's get this back in here. So you can see how it looks. And there we go. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.